It's August 1st. I'm in the front yard. I'm going to split this video up into two parts because it's too long to do the front and the back. So anyway, we're wrapping up the harvest on this peach tree right here. It's dropped quite a bit of peaches. It's okay. It's a fair peach. It had some pest issues, still sprayed it. I'll probably keep it. Anyway, so going down the front yard. Nothing else really on this side. The strawberries are doing rough because it hasn't been raining. I've got herbs such as sage, lavender, other stuff, fig, nothing really happening on this side. So if we back up and head to the other side of the front yard, the first thing we come across is this pear tree. I think it's a Chijuro pear. It's got tons of pears on it and they're ready to pick. They could be more ready, but they're actually pretty good. I'm gonna set that down. No, I'm gonna walk with it. Okay, anyway, then we come across the 4 o'clocks. And I had this walkway I built through the garden, but it's being overrun by bottle gourds, which I will turn into birdhouses. So we keep going down the front yard. We have a moringa, a whole bunch of sunflowers, a whole bunch. I just got done harvesting my lavender, and there's really nothing to see down there. So the original path I built through the yard, let's walk through. These bottle gourds are crazy, but I plan to sell 100 of them this year when I convert them into bird feeders and bird houses. So we're coming across this big pineapple guava here. It's okay. It's got a bunch of little fruits on it. Some of them are very small, like this. That one probably just popped off, and some of them are much bigger. Anyway, these are the bottle gourds right here. They're all over the yard. Tons. The backyard is littered with them. So it's starting to feel like a little jungle. You can't even see the walkways anymore. So we come up. Here's another pear tree, pineapple pear. That one is not ready yet. All right, we're gonna go left. I'm trying not to step on. See, these guys are everywhere, these bottle gourds. There's another one right here. They're everywhere. So as we come down the hidden trail, we come across things such as ginger popping up right here. We got a fig tree and a fig tree. Hold on, I know this is wasteful, but I can't carry that. All right, fig tree right here. This one is not producing anything yet. Remember, it's August 1st. Now this one right here, I've been eating figs off of this tree. So let's go down here and see when they start to fall over and when they start to turn brown. This one is very small, but they're still ready. They're still moist. So look down here. We got tons of them getting ready. Here's one. Oh man, sorry. See, I'm from Florida and this feels like Florida. Here's a fig right here. So sometimes I split them in half just to make sure there's no bugs in them. And I've only seen ants in the figs. I've never seen worms, only ants. All right, that's good. Okay. All the figs are loaded, but this is the only one producing yet. It's as tall as my loquat, about 8 feet tall. Let's get through the jungle. Now here is what makes me happy, the pawpaw. I'm already eating pawpaws. So you see, they're starting to turn a little yellow. They're getting soft. And as I come outside, I noticed even at the end of July, it's been like a week now I've been eating them. When I come down, I see pawpaws on the ground. And here's one right here. And this is how I know they're ready. This is a lot earlier than I harvest them in the wild, but they fall. They fall from right here, this one. So what you can do is you can squeeze them and they have give and you can smell them. All right, they're starting to smell. And right now, I don't want them dropping on the rocks. So I'm gonna go ahead and pick. I'm gonna pick this one. And it just easily comes right off. All right, so what I do is I brought myself a knife and a spoon because I knew I was gonna find one. And here's how I eat these jokers, all right? What I do is I cut it in half because the seeds go up and down. So cut that in half. And it looks like this on the inside. And then what I do is I take a spoon, just like I do a kiwi, and then I scoop some out right here. And then I eat that. And what I'm doing is I'm sucking the pulp off of the seeds. So, and there are the seeds right there. So I know it seems wasteful to throw these pawpaw seeds away, but I have probably 100 more pawpaws on this tree. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna grab me a bucket of sand. I'm gonna put it by my rain barrel and I'm gonna keep it wet all year. And I'm gonna stuff a bunch of these seeds in there because this guy at the nursery did it up the road. And he had a whole... All right. So yeah, I'm just gonna take this out. All right, last one, then I gotta hit the road. All right, no more of those. I got a sweet potato coming up under here. It's probably too late for that. So I gotta come back here and grab this, and I'm gonna pick a few more and set these on the counter, and they're gonna be good. All right, as I keep walking this way, I have apple tree. It's got some apples on it. They're actually really good. Even when they're green, they're really good. There's a few more over there. We got the rosemary, and this is where I stopped laying rock. I need to finish setting this up, and I need to fill up this space with something. As we come up, we've got the loquat tree, again, big rosemary. Another loquat tree. And this is where the path is kind of broken up. Like I still got to finish working on it. We have more gourds. We have a pear. This is a peach tree from seed. I think it's like 2 years old. I don't know what it is, but it's big. All right. We got the banana, and what is it? This is where we started with the 2 figs. So we're going back out to the front. And here is, again, one of our pineapple guavas. We have another one too, just as big. Let me see if I can find some fruit on here. There's gotta be something. Oh, right here. And right here. They're just the same color, there's no contrast. So, the pawpaw seeds. All right, that's the front yard. I know I missed some stuff. I got a big cherry tree here, a cherry tree here. I got more pawpaw trees. I got like 3 or 4 in the front. But it's turning into a jungle, but nothing like the backyard. The backyard is off the chain. That's where we're getting a lot of food from. So that wraps it up for the front yard. So we're getting pawpaws, we're getting pears, we're getting peaches. And then we're waiting until next month so we can get, here's one of the persimmons. I don't even know if you still got persimmons on you. Nah, this one probably dropped all of its persimmons, but in the backyard we got persimmons. All right, let's check out the back. Oh no, I ain't done with the front yet because I didn't even show. We got cantaloupe growing everywhere. So when you see it starting to separate like this and it's a little yellow, okay, that's still on there. Usually it just pops right off. I'm gonna get this one more day. And then we also have groundhogs. Look at that. They coming in here and eating up the melons. So we've got melons, cantaloupe, all kind of stuff in the front that I hadn't shown. Here's the second pawpaw. There's another pawpaw over there, and that's the one we're getting food from. And this is our cherry tree. It's big. It's probably coming out. I don't know how cherries do here, but that's it for real. Let's get to the backyard.